Day 21 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar Series. Let's see, where's day 21? 21, 21, 21. Oh, here's 21, this middle. Looks like an ice cream. Alright, so we're going to check this out. Well, that's kind of cool. Popsicle stick. I'm guessing these are, maybe not, I don't know. Oh yeah, I guess those are different to go in there. Sprinkles, maybe? Cool. Oh, to go in the bite of the popsicle. So you can change out what's inside of it. Okay. Then there's the stick. Cool. Alright, so this background was one that I had completed for day 19, I think. But I didn't actually finish filming a video, so this one never made it out into publication. This background was one of my PhD's, projects half done, and this was a turnabout stamp from Concord in 9th that I never turned into an actual project. So what we are going to do is we are going to die cut this ice cream and all of its pieces. If I can figure out how it's supposed to work. I think this goes this way. I want this one to be this color. And then I think these little sleevey things. Do I do this too? Yeah, maybe. I'm not 100% sure how this goes. Alright, we'll figure this out. But yeah, we're going to die cut. I want these stripey things to be darker, like shadowy. And then this is going to be here. And I think we're just going to do this out of white. I don't think I'm going to use the sprinkles. As fun as the sprinkles are, I think we're going to skip the sprinkles for this one. And, I'm not okay, so I think what I have to do, so I can assemble this whole thing, is I think I need to die cut this outer shape twice, so I can layer everything on top of there, if that makes sense. And in case you're wondering, yes, these are goose pajamas. I do love these pajamas. I got them at Kohl's last year. Best ever. I do have a porch goose, in case anyone's wondering. It does have some clothes. My kids enjoy changing its clothes all the time, and I do too. So we do. We change its clothes. And we just call it Goosey. I used to say it was a boy, but then my mom bought it a bikini, so I'm like, I guess it's just Goosey. It can be whatever it wants to be. So it can have more clothing options. And yeah, it's a fun thing to have. My mom actually bought it more clothes for Christmas this year. So that's super exciting. I'm gonna cut this. Actually, I need to do something else with this really quick. All right, now they're ready to go through the die cutting machine. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do this outline twice, but I think we're ready to go. Alrighty, so here's the first round of die cutting. I'll probably not film the second round just because I don't think it's necessary, but we shall see, we shall see. I really don't know what the heck I'm doing here. Oh, you know what? Huh, okay. So here's the little bite eaten out of part. Here's this part. I'm thinking I need to do 2 of the outline of this color, because then when I do the darker color for the shadows, it will look right. I think. I don't really know. These build-a-die things are not really my strong suit unless they come with great directions. So we're gonna give. All right, so I just realized I had not turned the light on over my crafting station. I don't even know how I was functioning, but I was. All right, so I think what you're supposed to do is do this, and, or should I have done this a different color? All right, and then we know, I'm guessing that this goes in here to be like a shadow. Is that what that's for? And then this one goes in here for a shadow. Are these supposed to be drips of ice cream or something? I don't know. Okay, so that goes like that. Wait, no. And then I'm confused. Does that, where does this go? gonna have to look at the box again, because here's the popsicle stick part. And then we got sprinkles we're not gonna use. All right, we're gonna pull up the box for reinforcements because I don't understand how this is supposed to work. All right, here's 21. Here's the picture. So yeah, I guess it looks like I'm supposed to put this over the top. I'm guessing like that. Does that look right? I guess so. I don't know. I don't know. But the popsicle stick is really cool because it looks like a stick. I don't know. I will say that I think I'm gonna go behind this with like a darker brown if I have one. We're gonna try this one. And we're gonna go, this oval marker, we're gonna go just right here. Ah, my workstation's moving. All right, let's see if that's the right spot to cover. It is, I like it. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do down here too. So that it's kind of like, it looks shadowy. Okay, except I didn't. This is YO 2.7 in my oval markers. I'm really bad about remembering to talk about what things I'm using. All right, so we'll just do this. And then we'll see if we got enough colored in. Oh no, we do not. So this one's good. This one is not yet. Okay. All right, so that's good. Now I think what we're supposed to do is layer this, because then it looks like shadows. I wish I had glossy accents. Yeah, I need to add some of that to my list. All right, so we're gonna glue this together. I did find some clear Nouveau drops, and I'm super excited about that because the glossy accents that I had ended up getting discolored and old. Like they were literally like 15 years old, at least. So I tossed those because they got gross. And I meant to buy new ones, but I just didn't get around to it. Oh no, I thought I had this lined up right, but I did not. We have to be there at 11:45. Sorry. All right, so that is assembled, and right there, perfect. And then we have to glue this on. I should have glued it between the two layers, like that would have been really smart, but I didn't. So we're just gonna glue it on the back. Perfection. Okay, that looks good. All right, so we have crystal clear, or what color is this? Oh yeah, crystal drops, Nouveau drops, and we shall see. We're gonna test these on a little scrap of paper first. Okay, good, they do come out. We're just gonna put a little tiny amount of them here, and then I'm going to kind of like jiggle it. Yeah, it'll work the way it is. Okay. All right. Now, I should have done this part first, but we're going to mount it on the card base, or the card panel. All right. All right, to give this a little bit of dimension, we're gonna pop it up on some foam tape. As I said, I should have done the dot thing, or the crystal Nouveau drops last, but I didn't. So we're gonna just put a couple pieces of foam tape on there. I'm gonna cut small squares of it and just put it on there. And like we're gonna put one over here and one here. and drop it apparently. And do one right here. All right, so that's that. We're gonna do a really slim, really narrow piece for this popsicle stick. And then, there we go. It doesn't stick on very good. Push it down with the foam tape on it so it sticks to the back there. So we can peel the backer off the adhesive strips. And then we will stick it down and the card will be done. I'm so excited that I'm actually like using up some of these projects that were half done. Like this background has literally been in my stash for like 2 years. I love the turnabout stamps. I don't know why I haven't like turned it into an actual project. All right, so one thing I do is I line my card panel up on the grid lines on my work surface, and then I try to make this like centered on the panel, and I stick it down. All right, I think it looks great, and I'm going to go let it... All right, here is the finished product. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think, and I will see you tomorrow for day 22. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.